Alright guys, what's up? We are back here on Food for Thought. I got my man Jorge here. He's going to show us some healthy grill options. Again, this is stuff you can do real quick. It's just designed to fuel your body correctly post-workout.
Chef Jorge. Today we're going to be making some turkey burgers on the grill. My experience goes as far as about 10 years now. My job is closed down for good due to COVID, so I'm working on some personal chef stuff and some meal prep clients and all that stuff.
I have my music orbit through the lands of short range. Noticing once I record this, plans gonna change. And some will probably forfeit, they can't stand the ball game. So tell them fools run off and drag a large crane. Cause your craft ain't spitting, you just tag along. Name, I seen it all from the court side. You living with no pride, you gassed up. Awesome dough ride, fitting in for cosign. Hell nah. See you later, chuck the deuces, I'ma keep it moving and stay away from bullshit that you keep pursuing. Limit the facade that you preach, you far from elite. Stunting like you above all, it's subpar, I believe.
Do some sea salt. By the way, iodized salt is only for French fries. Seriously. I don't really eat iodized salt at all. Sea salt for sure. Sea salt is for cooking, and then like iodized salt should be used for French fries. I mean, I know all of us are guilty of using iodized salt for everything. So you just mix this up, put the salt in there. Ground meat, you really don't want to like over manipulate it too much because it'll get really tough when you grill it.
Back now, I said your days up. Hey, I'm back now. I said they late, that's why they are. Okay, now as for my lateness, now and then.
Salt, garlic, cumin, paprika, and black pepper. Give me some ground cumin. Alright, so you just mix this up. Any poultry, you gotta cook it all the way through. And then you wanna stand over the grill for an hour or so.
This slow rhyme's been teaching me. Let it come to you and just like Mike, your DMPs could be used to better some. No reverend run, just DMC. I refuse to settle for none. Hope they believe in me. Even so, I probably showed my ass with little decency. They'll be forced to honor it in sponsorship repeatedly. Got me on Obama tip to change is what they see in me. Your days up. Hey, I'm back now. I should they late. That's why they on track now. I said your days up. Hey, I'm back now. Let's see if we can teach these haters how to act now. Let's see if we can teach these haters how to act now. Man, I'm just trying to put them on because I'm back now. I said your days up. Hey, I'm back now. I said they late. That's why they on.
Get your hands up. Get your hands up.
That's why they on. That's why they on.
I actually grew up with a family friend who was a pretty successful chef in the area. At 15, I got my first dishwasher job. He would just light my ass up pretty much all day at work. And it got to a point where I didn't know what I wanted to do with myself. And he pretty much had me start prepping food, like little small stuff, you know, cutting lobsters on Fridays and, you know, like hammering out carpaccio, like just little random prep stuff. Like, you know, I had to cut 50 pounds of onions a couple times as punishment and peel 50-pound bags of potatoes and stuff. But, you know, you grow to love that stuff. And then, you know, I went to culinary school for a bit, realized that school might just not be my thing at all. So I dropped out of that because you can literally learn how to cook while you're cooking in the field. So that's just kind of how I got into the whole culinary world. Started working at a bunch of restaurants in the area. Went back and forth until I finally got like my first corporate chef job. And then I stayed in the corporate world.
All right, so we are on our way to some fantastic turkey burgers and grilled squash. Now, Chef, you told me something earlier that was really, really interesting to me because in my mind, a burger deserves cheese.
I would rather sacrifice cheese to get a ground meat with a higher fat content so that the burger itself can be juicier. If you're looking at trying to like be healthy about it, then you would have to eventually sacrifice one or the other. So
Right.
I know you rather take notes and beat the thought process as the rapper makes.
we have a potato roll, which is the only carbs you're gonna get out of this meal, really. You can actually add whatever toppings you want to this. I personally don't like onions or tomatoes, so all my burgers are just straight lettuce and whatever meat it comes with, which will replace it's like pretty much like replacing potatoes or fries or whatever. It acts as a potato, so it's actually really, really healthy for you. But yeah, simple, easy burger.
All right, my man Chef Jorge just balled out for us. You get where we're going with this, right? It's about substitution. Sometimes, when you're trying to do what people call dieting, which is completely different for everybody, you have to look for creative ways to still indulge yourself with something that tastes good. That actually is a psychological effect as far as making your body seek out more of those options in general and helping you stay the course, and especially achieve whatever results you're looking for. So we substituted the squash for potatoes. Those are our fries in this dish, and I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie, a cheeseless burger still feels weird, but we're here now. So thank you, Chef. Again, this is Food for Thought. You can catch me next time. Boom. It's gonna be fun. I'm really excited, that's why I haven't let this go.